Hi friends, it's Julia. I am back with my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series. This is layout number 3 or day 3, and today I'm creating a 2-page layout. The inspiration for this page was RTS over on her Patreon channel. She did a cut aparts work session, if you will, and for National Scrapbooking Day weekend. And so yeah, I'm following along with her. If you want more information on that, feel free, head over to Patreon and subscribe to her channel over there. It's $1 a month, and there are no levels. It's just $1. So $12 a year in order to get all the content that she puts out there. Anywho, so for me, you guys saw it the first of the month. You saw the kit that I put together. And then I've done a second video of some of the things that I have added to it. It went up several days later. And so for that, I have added in, this kit is huge. Absolutely huge. And so for layout 3, it's a double page layout. So I've pulled tons of stuff to go with the photos that I've pulled to create this layout. So let me show you everything that I have so far. Okay, I have lots of little butterflies, I have chipboard pieces, I have labels, I have enamel dots, I have sticker butterflies, I have lots more chipboard pieces here. I have those tickets that I pulled in with the flowers on them, more chipboard, more random stickers, more chipboard pieces. These, I pulled in a sheet of paper from this Authentique pack of 6x6 that I added to. I added in quite a bit from my color bins, all the embellishments, ephemera that I pulled in from there. So I have that here. I've pulled in stickers. Lots of stickers. If I get it used, okay. If I don't, then I don't. And yes, I'm pulling in that set again. I pulled in quite a few of the 4x6 pocket page cards. I am pulling in, that's that sheet from Authentique. I'm pulling in this set of thickers here, only because of all the colors that are in my pattern paper and the photos, I think. I've pulled in 3 sets of washi tape. The red, the green and blue, and then the pink with the gold dots on it. These are the papers at the top and the bottom that I pulled in with the kit that are already cut. I pulled in the border strips to go with, and then I have 8 photos that I'm going to use. And I think Janet on her layout had 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 photos in hers. I'm not going to go quite that many, but I could if I wanted to. And you can if you want to. You can put however many photos you like on a 2-page layout, or if you want to do it as a single page layout, that's your option as well. This is just, she's giving you options to do with your layout, and so you can follow along with her, or you can do it differently, however you want to. Some of mine have had the same feel as hers, others not so much. So you'll have to play along if you want to see what you come up with. And don't forget, there's a Facebook group that's just built to share the love of RTS, and y'all, they've got a page up there of all the layouts so far that have been done this weekend from this cut apart challenge. If you guys want some inspiration, please head over there, request to join that group, and my goodness, the inspiration is amazing. You will just be flabbergasted when you see it all. Anywho, if you want to see more from this series from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you will give me just a few minutes, I will be back and show you what I have created when I come back. Okay, friends, I am done with layout number 3. And it is a 2-pager. I'll show you that in just a minute. Some of the things that I didn't use were all of the chipboard that I pulled out. I pulled out way too much, but that's okay because I did use some of it. I pulled out a 6x6 piece of paper from the Authentique collection that I added in. I did not use that. I pulled in tons of pocket page cards, these 4x6 sizes, and I ended up only using one. But initially, I didn't know which one I was going to use, so I pulled in a ton. I did not end up using any of these stickers, though I had intentions to. I did not use these stickers or these. I'm going to keep adding them in until I do. I pulled in these labels and did not use those, or these labels or stickers. I did not use these. So I have a ton that I didn't use this go around, but that's okay. It'll go back into my stash to use on another layout. And then what I did use, paper wise, what I have left over here, these are the paper strips that I had cut down initially to use with the pattern paper that I did not use. Okay, those were already cut down to use, and I didn't end up using them. I did have the craft color cardstock to build my bases on, and those are just offcuts, and so those will go back into my border strips. There's the part of the pocket page that I did not use. It will go back into my scraps. I had a ticket that had a couple other flowers on here that I did not use. I used 2 of the 4 that were attached to that. I did use the enamel dots. I did use the red butterfly sticker. I did use all 3 rolls of washi tape, and I did use my alphabet sticker. And that's a pain in the bottom because, you know, they're American Crafts. It needs additional adhesive. But here is the layout that I created of both pages of it, and it is Scrapbooking on the Go is my title. You can see the washi tape at the top, the border strips that I added in, the tickets here. Those are some cut aparts. The flowers that I had previously cut on, I think, my first layout. I used those here. Butterflies and enamel dots. There's the tickets. That was a phrase that was in one of the from one of the color bins that I had added in. More washi tape down at the bottom, and I even used this Mr. Huey's navy colored color mist along the bottom, and then I covered most of it up because, well, yeah, it made a mess. Anywho, so I have chipboard pieces down here. There's another butterfly there, and I do have all the wings, one side of the wings popped up on foam adhesive. More tickets. There's a piece that I had previously stamped and fussy cut. And on this one, along here and down at the bottom, again, more of those flowers. More butterflies, enamel dots, tickets. There's a little piece in there that says fun, and then I put those scissors in there, and then that's just a little cut apart piece that I had, a chipboard piece, and there's a piece of that pocket page card. Anyway, these are just talking about, this layout is just about when we were on the go. My husband had gone out of town, and I had went along with him, and while he goes and does whatever he does when we're out of town, I scrapbook. So I set up whatever in the room where we're at, and then I'll sit and scrapbook all day while he's gone to a class or shopping or horse racing or doing whatever he's going to do. And so that's what this occasion was. This was a kit that I was working with, and I actually show on this chair I have 2 additional kits to take that I took to play with, and then here's one laid out on the table that I took to play with. And so as I'm going along, this space, kind of like my space at home, will be an utter mess by the time I'm done, and that's okay because it's fun. It's what I like to do. Anywho, I appreciate you sticking around. I appreciate you watching my video. I will have close-ups of these layouts, these 2 pages, at the end of the video, so make sure stick around for that if you're interested. I would love it if you would flip me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.